Hi, this is Trevor with Porsche Bend, and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for winter with your Porsche. Oftentimes in winter when we get the freezing rain, we will find that the windshield wipers will stick to your windshield. So I'll show you how to take them off so that that doesn't happen. So when you are in your car, when your engine is still running, you're going to want to turn your engine off and then give one pump to your windshield wiper, pushing it down. When that happens, they will pop up into the exposed position so that you can raise the windshield wipers off. Once you have the windshield wipers in the exposed position like this, you will be able to lift them off without damaging the paint on the back of the hood here. Once you're finished and you want to put the windshield wipers back down, you turn your car ignition back on, give it one pump, and they'll go back down. And for any more questions regarding your Porsche, I'm always here. My name again is Trevor Campbell, here with Porsche Bend.
Kendall, let's start something great.